This exercise is called Running Man. Muscle groups we will be working: calves, quads, core, and shoulders. Now, if you ever seen the movie, it's basically the exact same thing. All right? Or the dance move. The exact same thing. Both are the same thing. We're making sure our arms stay straight the entire time. All right? And we're not actually ever going to be on our heels. All right? If you notice and if you look at the feet closely, you're actually just replacing one foot with the other, back and forth. All right? So both feet aren't hitting at the same time, if you look at the feet correctly. One foot's hitting at a time. And when the foot does hit, you're actually on the balls of your foot. Okay, that's that part. Right from the tippity toes to your heel, it's that middle part. Right there. Right? That's what's being on your balls of your foot. So you're actually going back and forth while pumping those arms, okay? And it's going to be crucial that you stay in sync and you're working on the coordination of when that left arm comes up and that right arm comes down, okay, the right foot's on the ground. All right? Same thing. I'm going to switch to the other side. The other foot's going to be down. Other arm's going to be up in the air, okay? And you're going to find that comfortable pace all the way through. And since we're constantly moving, we got to also focus on breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth, all right? Finding a comfortable pace, all right? But also keeping those arms pumping and keeping those feet bouncing.
This is one of the many exercises you will experience in WebFitness.
That's what I'm talking about. Push yourself. I know you got one more. I see it. Come on now.
Exactly what you just heard is exactly what you're going to get. A live trainer in front of you to coach you, to motivate you, help fix your form, and help you with every step along the way. All we ask for is a laptop and good internet connection. That's it. It's as simple as that. There's no special equipment needed whatsoever. You can even hook up your laptop to your TV. That choice is yours. The main purpose you're getting is a group fitness class with people from all over the world with a live trainer. But we invented that. We invented a new way to fitness. You're going to be able to track your progress, improve your diet, and work out anywhere you want to. And work out whenever you want to. Schedule your workouts ahead of time. If you know you're going to work out at home, or if you got to go out on a business trip, we got you. Schedule the time that suits best for you at the touch of your finger. It's as simple as that. The app that we have provided you is going to do wonders. You're going to have so many options and so many things to do, you're not going to keep count. Quickly take a picture of your food in our app for our nutritionist to analyze what you're eating to provide you advice on your diet and meal planning. You can also ask questions on a meal or general nutrition questions. You're going to have My Progress. You're going to take pictures each week of your transformation. Watch your measurements. Watch those pounds drop like there's no tomorrow. We have all of that for you, and that's all here at WebFitness.